Welcome everyone back to the New York session. Let me get some light here. All right. Let's see what's happening now. Okay. So we had CPI. And yeah, this was a little bit crazy, to be honest. The move on NQ, it was absolutely like... it took me out actually, so... I'm not even sure if I want to open a trade. We're going to have some bond auctions. I have to be careful. Unfortunately, that previous trade took me out right here, and then you can see what happened. Although I would have not been a trade here, but still, this was a dirty move. So yeah. Hey there, KP. How you doing? So this one took me out, and this was, wow, that was a crazy move. Don't forget the giveaway. I'm gonna share you guys the link. All right, let's see. I have the link somewhere here. Giveaway, share, copy. How is everyone doing? Feels like it still wants to dip lower, all the way down to the data low, but I have no info about that. Let me put in the giveaway. Giveaway. Let's pin this message. Nice. All right. So now you guys can see it. Look at it, it's still going down. What's up with it, vanilla face? What, vanilla face? I have vanilla face? What the hell? I don't have vanilla face. Marcus, hey there. I mean, I was eating a snack here, if that's what you're referring to. I know. Oh, man. So, this move was real crazy. And I can also suggest that we will see some drop lower. It can't do that. Now everybody wants to go long on the data. This buy side has been taken. What if they just want to push it down? What is ES doing? Let's check the ES. Yeah, ES looks pretty bearish to me. Yeah. Let's look at this. So, if they are pushing it lower, well, actually, we don't know. We have to wait for market open. The CPI number was higher than expected, so inflation, that is inflationary, basically. Core CPI is higher, so a little bit higher. than expected. We'll see. We have to be an economist to know to know if this one should be good or not. Hey there, Dadeka. Guys, be careful. Market open. Going to there's going to be fireworks, guys. Be very, very, very cautious. Even if you scalp, do it with micros. I'm actually thinking to scalp with micros, but I don't know. The problem is that today is going to be a red day, unfortunately, as far as I can tell. Got stopped out again in that London trade. So I'm down like $180 or $190 on every account. And I don't like that. My threshold is around 250-ish. So per account. So I'm not sure if I want to put on a trade just yet. So I'll see. Have to be very, very careful. This long wick candle is definitely, if you look at the 1 hour candle, by the way, it's just a huge indecision again. Took out buy side and sell side first, then buy side. Now who knows what's gonna happen, right? Still a lot of levels down there if you look at the 1 hour, like higher low, higher low. Well, this one is a almost higher low, but it's not. So if there will be a sell-off, those levels can be taken easily. But we still have some time. We still have some time to do that. To enter into a trade. What are you guys are thinking? What are you guys are doing? Let me know. Let me know. And push the like button if you can help out the stream. Don't forget the giveaway. It's gonna happen on Thursday. You can register if you want to. All right. What do we have? Let me check the news. Yeah. It's pretty much solid. Should be fine. Should be fine. But yeah, it's gonna be fireworks. So be careful, guys. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. They can actually dump it. Like it's 284. At this move, it made like 80 or 70 points in a millisecond, like boom. So they might try to dump it again. Be extremely careful. The sun shining. Let the sun shine. All right. How are you guys doing today so far? Because I am in the red. I'm in the red. The sunshine. Let the sun shine in. The sun shining. Still less than 8 minutes. Push those likes until you can. It's going to consolidate. If I would have to guess, I think they will try to dump it once more below these levels to the 200s. But if we look at the hourly, buy side taken, Next buy side is there. So fair value gap at 464, which is also a bearish order block. So we can go all the way to the 500s, which is not a big deal for Nasdaq, especially after CPI, you know. Let's see. Simply Gold, hey there. Do you have a giveaway for 50? Yes. I'm desperate for 50. I get paid an equivalent of 5 a day, looking for 50 to get a passport and go look for work in Dubai. Oh, nice. Well, you know, I will do something like that. Check back Thursday, you know, after tomorrow, because there's gonna be a separate giveaway for that kind of money, and which will be for of course you can use it for anything else, but I wanted to announce it on Thursday for one more, because we're doing an account, but that's going to be an account cash giveaway, which you can buy anything on it, I guess. I'm going to announce it on Thursday, but I'm really sorry. It could be very hard. I understand that, trust me. I also have to keep in line with my monthly cost and everything, so check back on Thursday New York session, and there's gonna be some announcements. That's all I can say now, but yeah. All right. Let's wait for this. It's from Borat. Oh yeah, forgot to read that. It's from Borat. Let the sun shine. Now it's retracing higher. $50 for Dubai. Well, it's for passport, I think. Of course, I don't know your background, but you know, no problem. Yeah, sure. I mean, no promises there. I understand that these are desperate times, perfectly, but and absolutely. I mean, with all my respect, Simply Gold. I mean, I know these are desperate times. I used to get messages now on Twitter, also on email, if I can spare some money or whatever, even accounts. Since I'm doing the stream, I received quite a few, I mean quite a lot, messages, DMs, Instagram message, Twitter message, emails. I know I understand that everybody has issues. That's all I can say. I mean, I really have to be very strict of what things I'm spending on, because this is the only thing I do, and I did not take payout just yet, only in February, a few $100s from TOPSTEP, and before that only in December, and I just got my first month from YouTube this month, and that's not going to be even $100. So I really have to be strict with my expenses, but I'm looking to do a giveaway. Yes. So I hope if the channel goes to that way, that I can spare some more, I would be happy to do that. I always hate to make promises, but I wish the channel would be at that point that I could be doing more of these stuff. Even if we retrace higher, would you consider a sell? Yes, I would be looking for a sell, Marcus. But I need a clean displacement. For example, let me show you. I would be looking for a market structure shift here. For example, let's Just an example. So shift below here and then look for the data lows. That would be interesting. If not, then you know, I have to wait until the market open and at least 10 or 15 minutes to have some kind of a structure forming, and we'll see. Yeah. Well, you know, Simply Gold, whatever happens, I hope you will find success in your job in Dubai. I don't know your background, your goals, your purpose there, but I hope you will succeed. That's all I can tell. That's all I can tell. But yeah, these are the times now. Let the sunshine. I pretty much gave back the profits from yesterday, unfortunately. So, yeah, it pretty much seems like I gave back all my profits from yesterday. Have to be careful. All right, market opens in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Cover your ears. 1. Market is open for business. Oh, you didn't hear it because the bell was... Okay, the desktop volume was turned off, so you guys made it, so... But the market is open. Market is open for business. Let's see, what do they want here? Do they want to push it higher just a bit? Maybe lower just a bit? Seems like they might want to push this one. Don't do anything crazy here. There could be a sell-off anytime as well. Equal highs. Equal highs. Back to the 30. Up there again. 22s. Are we gonna go lower, I wonder? Scalped a few dollars with the micro. Nothing fancy. Still waiting. Where this thing wants to go, I have no idea. I mean, down at the 272 level looks good. This is just a big question mark. Okay. Definitely some level of uncertainty in the market right now. ES is holding, same position. Nothing is moving, no direction yet. NQ feels a little bit heavy, but nothing special. Everything is basically at the opening price right now. Now it's early to tell at this point what it wants to do. I do believe that the 272s could be taken here. Has to be some more liquidity down there, right? Should I go with that or not? I don't know. I don't know. Can be dangerous. So I'm not. If it cannot break the 300, if it breaks the 300, then we definitely have a higher chance to go to that 272-ish levels, but the 300 is still holding. Now it's trying to break the 300. Okay, scalped 1 micro. Under 300. But I don't know what's gonna happen from here. Feels like they want to dump it, maybe. 201 is the data low. I would be careful. Wait for this 1 minute candle to close. The market structure shift happened just where we anticipated it to happen. So I'm gonna take a fib tool here. Let's measure some risk. Yeah, the risk to reward would be okay, but the thing is, it's not going up there. Not just yet. Dumping, dumping, dumpy, dumpy, dumpy. New candle. Midpoint down there. Dumping. Midpoint down here. 1 to 2 risk to reward is off. Yeah, I think they're dumping it. 30 more points. I'm not jumping in. I'm waiting. I'm not chasing it. Midpoint, optimal trade entry is there. 1 to 2 risk to reward is down there. Yeah, I just can't. I can't risk it. I cannot go lower than 1 micro, so I just can't do the risk. It's off limits. It's off limits for me. We just have to wait again. Are we going to see a proper retracement here? That's what I'm wondering. Or no? No retracement so far. No retracement. It's dumping. I wouldn't chase it, because if it turns around, then everybody gonna be in deep trouble. Golden level is at 280. Watch out for the retracement. I'm not in any position. I'm flat. No pending orders, no nothing. I'm just measuring some targets here. Possible entry here, up there. Stop here. 1 to 2 there. Yeah. I have nothing. No limit order, nothing opened. It's the waiting game, guys. It was definitely a difficult day so far, at least for me. Tom, did you make some money 2023? Yes. Well, depends how you ask it, but I made $4,200, $4,216 from prop trading in 2023, and it was by the end of the year. So $4,200. That's how much I made from trading from prop firms, and that's the reason why I'm building up more evaluation accounts this year. I still have two, because of the same company, two funded accounts at TOPSTEP. But I want to build up more and more evaluation accounts. But last year I spent a lot of money on evaluation. So if you're asking someone who is a prop trader if he or she made money, you should always ask how much did he or she spend on evaluation accounts and activation fees, how much funded accounts were blown, and then you will get a net result. There's a video, if you check it on my videos in January, how much my results from TOPSTEP. You can check that video, and I show you in details how much I made. So far in February, I took $350 payout from TOPSTEP in February. And if you're asking why, because I had like $1,500 on the funded account, and I lost a few dollars from there, and I was desperate to pay out some bills. And since I don't get revenue from YouTube, at least not in February, I just had to make an extra few $100 for the month, so I pulled out $350 something from TOPSTEP in February. But since then, I'm trying to build up that funded account, and I have one more. So I'm not a Lambo trader yet, guys. I'm not a Lambo trader yet, and I don't have the resources in money to be able to buy like 20 evaluation accounts at once. I would buy them, to speed things up a little bit. I was thinking to make a living with trading, but I think I will give up. One, it's too hard. It's too time consuming. Yeah, it's definitely one of the hardest and very, very time consuming. I give you that. It's very true. Thank you, Bayax. Thank you. Do you only trade futures? For now, yes. Yes, I was trading Forex last year. Not too many success. I trade only futures for now. Yeah. Only futures. Try to scalp this one again. With a little bit of success. Only one micro. But yeah. So it's very time consuming. It takes out a lot of energy. And you also have to be able to support your living costs. So I have a very small side income working with one of my ex-colleagues at an insurance company. Sometimes we work together next to trading, and that gives me a little bit of income to finance my bills and stuff like that. But you know, I always told this to you guys and to everyone who asked that part of the reason that I'm doing the YouTube here is to be able to generate a few extra dollars for my bills. If I make an extra $100 from YouTube, that is good for power bills, for example, and I'm very happy about that. And if you guys are generous for using my affiliate codes with TOPSTEP, you can get 20%. My funded futures, if you use my code, you get 30% from the starter account. Just saying 30% if you use my code. And you know, the others as well. Then a few dollars. I did not make thousands of dollars from affiliate. Last month in February, I made a little bit over $300 from the affiliate programs. I'm going to talk about that later in the month. In February, I made a little bit over $300. Now I know some other traders on YouTube are making much more. I made a little bit over 300. I took out a little bit over 300 from TOPSTEP, and that gives me about an average Hungarian salary here in my country. But don't worry, guys. I mean, I try to. So I have my goals, and I'm going to maintain everything as it should be. But yeah, that's why I always say, if you can help out the stream and the journey, you're always welcome to use my affiliate codes. Let's look at this. 163 is the next sell side. Is it gonna go there? I have no position here. It feels like it's going there. Look at that. It's dropping. Previous day low is 38.75. Sorry, I sneezed. I too just started, so for now I will just watch people trade. Learn and try out demos until get something to put on live accounts, but I'm not giving up. You're a good man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Crazy dump, yeah. Crazy dump. Crazy dump here. So if you buy accounts, you know, just use these codes and my links down there. Few dollars always helps out from affiliations. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Bum, 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 bum. Also, there's a giveaway. Don't forget that, guys. Are we going to dump to 62? It feels like we are. It's just too low to chase it for me right now. I don't know if I want to. It's just it feels too low to chase it. 83.62. It still feels heavy, but I'm not jumping in. I'm definitely not jumping into this price action. This is the 1 minute. NQ. What is ES doing? ES also dumping it. Still didn't reach the low, so this can be an SMT divergence, guys. NQ made a new low. ES did not make a new low, but I think it will, by the way. Feels like an SMT divergence, yeah. But in this case, ES should be making some new highs. But I don't think so that it will. I don't think that it will. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Or maybe it will go down below 180. ES feels heavy too, so I'm not sure if the SMT divergence is going to kick in. For now, at least. I don't know. I'm not trading that model. Oh, look at that. It might just kick in. So on the 3 minute, there is a small fair value gap here at 216. We might retrace back there. This is a bearish order block at 230. So yeah, 5 minute bearish order block here at 275. We can go back all the way to 275. No entry on my end. No entry on my end. Dum 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 dum. Trying to look for some levels. Okay, ES is kicking higher. Should be going all the way up to 91. Let's look at this move here. So golden level should be at 95. 95. This one went to, what was the high here? 16.50. So actually made a new high. Yeah. So if it wants to, it can dump from here. A little bit aggressive entry here, but you can go short on this fair value gap if you want to. I'm not gonna go short here. There. So one fair value gap right there. Bearish order block on the 1 minute. But the 5 minute bearish order block is all the way up to 275. I would be careful. This one can go higher. Before it wants to sell. No entry for now. Going higher, going higher. If this goes higher, should be going all the way to the 40s. I think. Yeah, to the 39-ish level. A little bit risky to go long here, but I think it will take it out, reprice higher. That would be logical. 39 in the cards, I think. Yeah. Back to 35. Almost back to 39. 5 more points. No retracement. Okay, now it's going lower. Candle is gonna close. If we're gonna leave this gap, this will be kind of an inversion gap. So this one can be an okay entry. Candle is closing. There you have it. I'm actually tempted to jump into a long here if it touches that inversion gap down there. I just put a limit order there, but it didn't touch it yet. It didn't fill me in there. Okay, I'm not in the trade. I have a limit order at 22.75 in case this one will be an inversion gap. Or maybe I'm just deleting my order, I don't know. $22 would be good until 40. No, it's going without me. Yeah, it's going without me. Okay, deleting my limit order. I'm flat. No entry. No joy. It was used to be, I mean, I wanted to scalp it, but clearly it's not the case. Okay, let's look at the 5-minute again. We're in the 5-minute gap. So if this one is a sell-off, just saying, then we are at the golden level. But I just cannot go lower with 1 micro. On the 5-minute, this would be equilibrium for this swing. And on 5-minute, we have the bearish order block at 276. ES also went back up there. Was not able to take out the low. Question is, do they want to dump it again? I mean, it's definitely in a good position to just tank. I would like to see it go above 77 before I do anything. Actually, I'm gonna do a sell limit at 77.25. A high is 78.25, so I have a sell limit at 77.25. I'm not tagged in. I'm not filled in yet. Let's see if I might even delete it. Don't like how the candles are printing. I'm watching it on Quant Tower. Now it's going to the 70s. Okay. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I have no limit order, no nothing. Absolutely nothing. ES is going higher. ES is in an internal range, while NQ made a new low. It looks good for a sell here, but I'm not sure. We have relative equal highs at somewhere at the 340s. Now I think they just want to push it back up there. All the way back above the 300s. Maybe not. Trying to scalp it with micros. All right, made a few bucks with micros. Exited. It was only 2 micros, so not a big deal. Made like $15. What else do I have? 218, 304. Yeah. So far I'm down around 1R. But it is what it is. What can I do? Okay, now I'm just going to wait if they want to do a market structure shift. If not, I'm gonna keep on waiting. On NQ, I think they can just, it's a nice V shape here. They can just push it higher to the 340s. Feels like it. I don't know. But if it's shift structure, then I'm just scalping with 1 micro here. Still feels bullish to me. They want to push it higher to the 330s. Don't know. I don't know. I might close this down because it's just dumping. Yeah. Market structure shift could be happening to the downside. Don't really like that. Repricing lower. Don't like that either. I thought we're gonna see some nice push, I mean short squeeze all the way back to the 330s, but it's not happening for now. No, not really. Hey Robert, I'm late to party. CPI. Yeah, low taken CPI. Yeah, low taken. Maybe they're gonna push it back to the highs. I'm in 1 micro long, but I'm gonna close it now. I think because this one might just dump, depending on this candle right now. Holding 1 micro here, not a big deal, but I wanted to see it pushing back to this area up there. That's what I wanted to see. And you know, if they just keep on dumping it, then that's it. We are in this order block, so we had a reaction to this order block. The question is, are they going to push it through? Don't like this here. Really don't like this. Is the order block going to hold, or is it going to push it lower? It's a 5-minute order block. Sorry, yeah, 5-minute, I think. 5-minute order block. Feels heavy. It keeps pushing now. Let's see if they make it. All right, I exited because I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken, guys. Pok, 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 pok. I'm a chicken. I exited. I just don't want to lose more than I should. I'm down 1 hour still. What are you guys up? Can you guys push the like button, please? It would be awesome. Thank you. And don't forget the giveaway. Yeah, I'm a chicken. And by the way, I always make a lecture about this. That's why I'm not a good scalper, absolutely. I would say with decent confidence that I can hold to a trade if I have a trading plan. But if it's about scalping, where I have to watch the candles printing, and not sprinting but printing, the candles printing, and if I see some crazy price action, a lot of the times I got cold feet when I'm scalping, and I just can't stay in the trade. I just I'm unable to hold, and I'm not ashamed to admit it that I don't have always the nerves to scalp, especially on a red day like I have today. So still, I think they should push it above 39 here. Question is it going to retrace back down, or just gonna go straight through? I don't know that. I don't know that. But overall, if you guys are curious, at this point the accounts are down My main BULENOX account, I'm down from $304 to $231. My other BULENOX account down from 2,781 to 2,702. The other BULENOX down from 2,547 to 2,464. Don't ask why. It's a latency, you know. Apex account is down from 52,052 to 51,981. 51,127 down to $51,053. Is that it? Oh, the my funded futures is 51,771 to 1,694. So overall, I would say I'm down about $80 per account on average, which is about 1 hour. Because I raised my risk to around $80 per account. So that's still okay, but I have to think twice of what trade I'm willing to take. So orders, I have no working orders, which is good. If you guys want to go long here on this move, you can do so. I think we could push higher. We have relative equal highs. Actually, I'm going to scalp it once more, just to take out the relative equal highs up there. Should be okay for now, I hope. If not, then, you know, just gonna wait. Relative equal highs up there, so might even add one more, who knows. So I'm in a 1 micro long trade with 1 micro here. Looking good so far. Pushing my limit up there. Added 1 more micro to the scalp. That is going against me. Damn it. I thought that it's going to take out the relative equal highs. It was looking so juicy. So juicy. But it's just not doing it for now. In fact, it wants to go lower. Not good, everyone. Come on, just one more push. Take out the relative equal highs up there, and everyone would be happy. Oh, come on. You can do better. Don't dump here. Just one more push. Take out those highs. It would be so simple. Just 20 points. I might have to close it manually because I don't like waiting here. Now it's dumping, so I might have to close it. It's dumping. That's it for that. For now. No. Go higher, please. No, I'm still in it, but I'm willing to close it. My finger is on the button. Don't like how it looks right now. It's gonna make a displacement. I'm afraid. I'm afraid so. We don't need much. Anyway, let's wait. 400. I hope you're right. Big order waiting there. Problem is we're still dumping here. Maybe just repricing a little bit. Liquidity sweep, whatever. I really don't like what it does right now. We do have some nice targets up there, that's for sure. It's back up there right now. All right, I closed my scalp because I'm a chicken. Bark, 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 bark. I'm a chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. I'm a chicken. Closed it. I can't scalp, guys. I just can't. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Hey there. I don't like scalping. I really no. I'm not. I was scalping my way with micros up here because I had two big losses in the London session, and I was just scalping my way all the way up. I think we should be taking out the 300. What's the high here? 339-ish level. We should be pushing higher, but I did not have the nerves to hold on to the scalp, so I closed it, but maybe too early. 339 should be taken, I think. Now it's dumping again. Could be going lower, you know. This is basically a classic ICT entry, although I don't know what's gonna happen here, but this one can be a dumpy all the way down, you know. Hard to make any of this price action. No, it's dumping. No, not yet. Let's see what's happening. Is it gonna go back higher? I wonder. Do they want to push it? Even higher. Relative equal highs up there. I don't know. Could this be a stop hunt or... Just blow a static PA. Oh. Also passed. Yeah, oh. Your free reset. Nice, 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 nice. Well, you know, it happens to the best of us. Hold on, I'm watching the chart closely on my quant tower. If I see some scalp opportunity here. Don't really like this movement here. Should be some liquidity up there, but you know, they are holding this level so far. Just watching the price and how candles are printing here. What do they want? Okay. Close down my scalps again. Not gonna lie, I was nervous a little bit. Slightly down, but it's okay. I was nervous a little bit. So let's read. Crypto Panda says just okay, below static. About threshold, but also I passed my free reset one from my funded futures. I hate Apex for making me trade for 10 days and have 30% consistency rule. That's why I always say, like, overall the expert account at my funded future is the best. I bought a 25k account with... Oh, thank you, Riedel. Thank you so much. Let me give you a proper applause here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, look at that. Now they took out those highs. Thank you for using my code. Now my question is, I traded for the first time with NinjaTrader and currently have 26,500 in cash value and 26,495 in net liquidation. Have I reached the goal or not? The net liquidation that counts, not the cash value. Net liquidation, unfortunately. I think you did not. You still need $5, I think. So more, $5 more. Thank you again, Riedel, for using my code. Okay, yeah. Good afternoon, P Trading. You should have a new rule, no scalping. Yeah. Bought it last Friday, thank you. You've been trading since then? Yes, cool. Congratulations there, by the way, that's good. Hello there, Tom. Good day. Thank you so much, Sahid. Congrats on your big... Well, today I'm in the red, Sahid. Sahid, I'm in the red today. I just scalped my way partially out from the hole because I was down. I was down overall, Sahid. I was down around $1,300 across all the evaluation accounts. So, which is not too much if I'm counting with 6 accounts. But still, I was down. And yeah. So wait today. You should get an email today to sign and pay to get funded. Yeah, you do have to pay the activation fee though. So, yeah. Oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda, woulda, woulda. Should have held this trade and I would be in the green. Overall, I'm still happy. I was down more than $200 per each account, and overall, it's okay. This is the Apex account. I'm down $1, not even $1. I'm down 14 cents on this account. My funded the BULENOX main account is down $10. The other BULENOX account is down. How much is that? 70. It's $15 ish. This one is down $13. The other BULENOX account. The my funded futures account is down $16. But I was down like how much I was down? I was down like $230 per each account. And I hate that. I hate when that happens. Down 600 for today, but got back 500. So there you go, Bernard. There you go. No, it's fine. Not an easy, yeah. Not easy day, that's for sure. Especially CPI. I thought that we're gonna see some very, very clean entries here and clean draw. Well, the draw on liquidity was technically clear. I was just not patient enough, but I hate scalping. So the way I made back my losses was because of I scalped with 1 and 2 and sometimes 3 micros. And the thing is that I don't like scalping. I just don't. It gets on my nerves, puts me into bad habits. I just I don't like it. So I really don't like it. At this point, I don't even know where price would like to go. So guys, if you want to participate in the giveaway, the link is up there in the pinned message. Watch my video, fill out the form, subscribe to the channel, and you're in for the 50K starter account giveaway at My Funded Futures. Go check it out. And also buy accounts with my code. All right. No, really, I'm gonna I want to make a video comparing some accounts. Also, you can get a 20% discount at TOPSTEP if you register through my link. So we're pretty much just waiting here. The high of the news release is at 381, so we're pretty close. I'm gonna delete this. So the high of this candle is at 18,381, which is okay, I guess. 63. I'm not entering into that trade because it can easily reverse and going for internal liquidity. What I don't understand, ES is going higher again, but where can it go? Next buy side on ES is 227, so I guess it should be pulling NQ with it. So the 81 is actually a possible target. What do you guys say? 81, there you go. Should be taking out the 81, right? Should I scalp it? Almost there. Ah, okay, taken out. I was even thinking what to do here. So nothing right now, nothing to do. The range has pretty much been played with the Nasdaq. Look at this. News down. This is the 5 minute. So news, boom, taking out what it could. You know, sweep some liquidity. Going up, boom, liquidity, boom, liquidity, boom, liquidity. So how about we continue the sell-off and changing directions again, and NQ would just, you know, turn around and go down. That would be something to look for. When is the giveaway? It's gonna be on Thursday. What are you guys talking about? What about dog? Oof, what? Ba-dum. Hold on, quick phone call. You guys. That was good. Actually, it was the wife. You know, it was the fiance yet still, but it was her. She was checking. I think she's angry. It didn't clean the toilet. Actually, the toilet is clean. Everything has been put in place in the kitchen, so everything is fine. Everything is clean. Tell me sleep. No read chat. Buy a lottery ticket, P trading. It was the wife, actually. She was checking on me. What are you doing? Are you watching porn or what? I said, no, everything is fine. I closed everything. What color is your Bugatti? I don't like Bugattis, to be honest. I really don't like Bugattis, guys. I don't like how it looks like. I know it sounds weird and stupid, but I don't like how. If I would have to choose a supercar, that would not be Bugatti. That's for sure. I don't know what car would that be yet, but not Bugatti. Bugatti is not my. The characteristics and the shape of the car is not the style that I like, and not McLaren. Not McLaren. McLaren is basically a toy car for me. It's McLarens. I mean, they are great, and I would be super happy to have a McLaren. But if I would have to choose, it would not be a McLaren. It would not be a Bugatti. So, oh, clear history. My God, totally forgot. Clearing history. All right. History cleaner. Yeah, should be fine. Should be fine. History cleaning. Okay. Anybody wants to buy a BULENOX account? I need $5 in commission. All right, forget it. Let's talk about serious stuff right now. That's my funded futures. I'm just setting up my account here. The competition account is basically in the dumpster. So look at this. We have buy side at 25. Are we even gonna go through 25? What do you guys think? Is it gonna go through 25? Are we going to go through 25 here? It's very weird price action right now. I don't like it. It's too high to go long, and it's too high to go short. That's my problem, actually. $25. All right, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Could be retracing. I'm looking at this high here. This swing high. Maybe better seen here on the 15-minute. Is it going to go and take it? Who knows? All right, scalped a few dollars again. down $3, $10, $11, $10 plus, what is that, 52, yeah, plus $5. Overall today I'm up plus $13. $13 profit today, guys. That's good, I think. I think that's something. Let me try one more. Tom, can you walk me through the process to get funded on my funded futures? I passed my 50K today, but now what do I never got funded with them, only Apex? Well, it's not that difficult actually. Was it? Yeah, of course, because the minimum trading day is 1. You should be receiving an email. Was it an expert account or a starter account? If it was an expert account, then you should be receiving an email, not today, tomorrow, about the login credentials for your funded account, and that's it. If it was a starter account, you will be receiving an email where starter, okay. On the starter account, you will be receiving an email to pay the activation fee, which is $149. Right now, if you use the coupon code, you get a discount code. If you use my name as a coupon code at the payout, you can get a discount for maybe $100. I think the activation fee should be down to 100. Let me check it for you, and that's it. You pay the activation fee and then you're done. Let me check it. It's here somewhere. So there you go. Starter eval after promo 50K. Oh no, activation after passing $104.30 if you use my code, or if you used it, I don't know. Second day, great. So you should be paying $104.30. Hold on a second. Just have to make a brief phone call again. Just the usual phone calls. And we made buy side liquidity, so I wouldn't even had to enter any trade here. Because there was nothing to enter to. We are going higher. ES is fighting higher. We are in a 15-minute fair value gap here. So yeah, nothing to do. Nothing to do so far, guys. A little bit boring, I know. That's part of trading. Tom, but my account I bought for 90 and it said there was no fees for activation and blown that one and got a free reset code. Does that mean I have to pay the activation? If it was it, so you bought it for $90. It was a starter account, you say. It said if you bought a starter account, it has activation fee, CryptoPanda. If you bought an expert account, it doesn't have activation fee. Except, of course, yeah, I remember there was a promotion. There was a promotion in February that there was no activation fee. Yeah, I understand now. CryptoPanda. I understand. So there was a promotion in February with no activation fee on the starter account. Honestly, that's a very good question. I don't know if that type of account still has that thing going on or not. What I would do, please go to yeah. But I've blown that one and got a free reset. That is good. Nasty price action. That is good. So you got your free reset, but the question is, and I can't answer to you, CryptoPanda. You should contact My Funded Futures chat in the live chat on the website or on Discord. I would go with the live chat on the website, and please contact support and tell them, because that's a very, very good question. You got a free reset. I'm not sure if you have to pay activation or not. It's a very good question, though. I wish I could tell you 1000% valid information here, but I don't know, because I don't know if the promotion was strict to February or was it for those accounts that one person bought in that month of the promotion. I think you should not be paying activation. Please tell the support that this account has been bought during the promotion where there was no activation fee. Definitely tell the support that you bought the account back in February to not have an activation fee. Please ask them. I'm sorry, CryptoPanda. I hope they will help you, because I don't know this information. I think you definitely have to contact My Funded Futures support. They will let you know. They will let you know. Looking at some market structure shift. Might be happening here, guys. I'm not going short. It's too strong. Very nasty price action indeed. ES tapped into this liquidity. All-time high is near again. I could imagine Nasdaq turning down from here. Low of this candle is 424.50. 424.75. And yeah, this is a market structure shift, guys. Be careful. Or now it's repricing. Okay. Bearish market structure shift. Right here. Okay. There's a fair value gap right there. There. So this is a classic short setup, guys. If this candle is not repricing that gap, you can go short from here on the 1 minute. So It's up to you guys. Do you guys want to go short? Because this right now is your short entry. Boom. So short right there. I'm not taking a short. I'm not taking a short because for me, it's just too risky. It's going high too strong. The risk to reward is actually good. Tiny fair value gap. Be careful there. I'm not going in. Careful. Careful, careful. All right. $3.75. Yeah. There you go. Now it's dumping. Dumpy, dumpy. Will it go all the way through? I don't know. No idea. Definitely has some room to fall here, but if this one would go back into this area, I would be sweating a little bit. Should go all the way to 391-ish. 391, there you go. Almost there. On the 5 minute, there's a fair value gap there. Let me check the 15 minute. It's closing. Should be good. Should be okay. Okay, back to the entry. Be careful, guys. Be careful here. All right, it's still good for a short, just saying. I just contacted my fellow futures on Discord and they say, no, I don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. Oh my god. I'm relieved. Nice. Nice. So then, congratulations. Again, another applause for passing the account. CryptoPanda, thank you for sharing the info. And you know, you should be receiving the new account tomorrow. So you have to wait out today until the close, and you should be receiving the account is going to be just appearing in your NinjaTrader as a new account. And that's it. Maybe you have to click some activation, something, I don't know. I mean, just agreement or something online on the website. It varies all the time. Nice job, by the way. ES is still up there. Looks like NQ might not want to dump here. I'm up $13 for the day. Yeah. This is great. And now it feels like it just wants to go higher. 415s maybe. Where can it go if it not wants to dump here? Can it go, yeah, to the 450s? What's on the hourly? Oh yeah. Guys, this one can go higher. Be careful. Is it gonna dump or is it gonna go higher? Who knows the answer? Feels heavy. I think it should dump all the way down to 86. At least to 86. All right, I'm here. I'm here, and we're going for 460 because there is a 1 hour fair value gap up there. I'm gonna show you, it is right there. Right there, buy side liquidity. There you go. Should be all right. It's at 64. Should be taking that, I think. All right. You're more profitable in scalping than holding your trades. You know, whatever suits you better. You have to find your own path, you know. That's all that matters at the end. Let me put it to 63.75. All right, should be okay. $64 should be taken, in my opinion. I'm scalping on an evaluation account as well. I mean, not those ones that I'm showing you guys. I'm having 150k combine from TOPSTEP, and I just wanted to pass through on this account. And all we need is this one to go to 64. Nothing else. Nothing special. What are you guys up to right now? How's everybody doing? Heading into lunchtime soon. I should be seeing some good movements, but maybe there's going to be a liquidity sweep first. Or maybe this is a turning point. You know, to go short. Who knows? There's a fair value gap on the hourly chart. So don't forget that. Nice, congratulations. Let me give you a huge applause. Congratulations for passing. You're up $2,700. Nice. Keep trading. Nice, nice, nice. Congrats. I was not in this short. Thank God I climbed out from the hole. So I feel relieved for now. But that doesn't mean this one cannot dump all the way. I mean, all the way down to the 400-ish level. Maybe it can. Not sure. Ta-dum, ta-dum. Let's see what else do we have here. Okay, now I'm just looking if this one would be a good short. I'm not really trusting this area because we still have some buy side up there. This area here could be good for shorts maybe. But again, be careful. This is a 1 hour fair value gap up there at 464. So it's close, but you know, it can take it actually, the 64 level. This one can be taken easily. P trader, there you go. Let's go, let's go. P trading, sorry. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is just awesome. Congratulations there. You should be definitely quitting for the day. Okay, so this one could be a possible short. I'm not in the trade, but looks good. Again, I must say that the buy side liquidity on the 1 hour concerns me at 464. I don't like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record today's briefing, guys. So, I mean, not the briefing, the recap. I'm going to record the recap from today because this day today was absolutely mental. Mental. Yeah, I was short here, I think, and it took me out here. No, I was short earlier. No, I don't know. I was short here. Oh, I was short. Yeah, I was short here. Sorry. Took me out right there. Yeah, that was the trade. Took me out. What moves? This was a crazy day. Okay, let me record this. So I'm gonna be talking like making the video. So let me press the record button. All right. and I'm gonna be recording and putting this daily recap. All right, welcome. Well, technically it's a break-even day. What can I say? Overall, made $133 across all the evaluation accounts, but this is 6 accounts. So I'm going to show you. I have an account at BULENOX which made $4, but still today was a little bit difficult. In the London session on the live stream, I called out a trade on Nasdaq to go long for some buy-side liquidity. I don't even know where. But there was a displacement higher and price retraced back into this fair value gap and immediately took me out. It took like 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute to take me out from this trade. So then it was down 1 hour and then price started to drop. And this area down there is a 1 hour fair value gap, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And so I targeted this one once more. Oh yeah, this was the trade. I almost forgot. I entered here. This was my stop loss. And as you can see, it almost went to take profit down there. But finally, this was a dirty move. I was holding this trade for quite some time, almost 3 hours. And then took me out here. And then went actually to profit. So that was crazy. That was real crazy. And then news came out. So I was down 2R. The dog is barking, so that means everybody go long. So I was down 2R, and I scalped my way with micros out of the drawdown. But this rally was really crazy. The CPI report actually did what it used to do. Managed to take out these relative equal highs back here. But anyway, let me show you the account statements just briefly. I'm not going to take too much time with it because this is basically a break-even day. So this is the main BULENOX account. I'm up like $25. The other BULENOX account, I'm up $7 today. And the third BULENOX account, I'm up $4 from 47 to 51. That's awesome. The My Funded Futures account, this is the competition account, so don't worry about that. The My Funded Futures account is up. Which one is that? Yeah, $24. And what else? The Apex account. Sorry, the Apex account. First one is up $45, and the second Apex account is up $28. So overall $133. It is what it is. What can I say? But you know, better being at break even than losing the profits or being in a huge drawdown. This was actually a trade that I didn't take. I thought that we're gonna go to buy side, but anyway. Survived it. I'm grateful. Go check out the giveaway. It's gonna happen on Thursday. There's gonna be a My Funded Futures giveaway. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the London stream. All right, I just recorded this and I'm going to upload this to the daily recap videos. So don't worry guys, I'm still here. The dog is barking real crazy, so that means we should go long. Right? We definitely should be going long. Alright, copyright content, have to be aware of that. Upload video. Nice. Select file. Go to videos. There you go. I have it right there. Upload. And let me copy the description from previous day to here. Now it's dumping. Now it's dumping. Dumpy, dumpy, dumpy. How much was that? 133. Episode 21. Download. Download. All right. What else do we have? Change the copy the tags. Main videos. Copying the tags. Refreshing everything. Uploading thumbnail. Okay, it's fine. Everything is fine. Everything is super awesome. Turning everything on. Cool. Everything is fine. Okay, that's still dumping there. Still dumping. Still. And great. Okay. Unlisted, but it's still under check. Look at this. Now we're jumping down there. Dumping, not jumping. Repricing the 5-minute gap. Also, almost back into... What's the mid-level of this swing here? Oh, wow, it's way down there. 315 something. Okay. Okay, now it's fine. What are you guys doing? Let me know. Are you looking to go into any trades? Anyone is looking to take out that buy side at 464? I think it could go. I think it has every chance to go there. Hopefully it will. Ba-da-ba-ba. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. Little bit more. How is everybody doing? All right, let's see. Is it going to shift higher? Could be shifting higher, right? This one could be shifting higher. Small market structure shift here, by the way, I'm going to show you. So I think we can wipe out that 464 up there. Should be going the maximum it should go is around that 437. I don't know, it looks weird, but if it really wants to do that, and if it retraces back to the optimal trade entry, I'm down for it. Okay, still waiting. So what if you took a few scalp to the upside with 4 or 5 micros, like 10 or 14 ticks? Well, I could do that, but I still want to wait for this one to retrace a little bit more. I mean, until the 50 level, the mid level is down there, I'd say it would be okay. I'm actually looking for some scalping strategy. I mean, not a strategy because I know my anti-modeling strategy, but I'm looking to do some scalping on a demo for a few days, you know, just to feel a little bit more. Maybe I'm actually going to spend some money on an evaluation account and try to scalp there just to feel a little bit of pressure. Okay, so I put a limit order at actually entry 12.25, I think. Let me check it. Okay, now it's correct. If it dips down and takes the entry. If it goes down and takes the entry, I'm down for one more long to take out buy side at 464. If it takes that optimal entry. It should be good. For the scalp trades, well, you know, the entry model, there is no specific entry model for the scalp trades, but I'm going to explain to you. How should I explain it to you, Saeed? There is no specific entry. So what I do is when I scalp, for example, let me show you. We had relative equal highs here, right around there, right? Relative equal highs. So when price came up here, pushed higher and into this order block here, this was a 5-minute bearish order block. So when price was hovering here, I was looking at this consolidation. It was looking like a bullish flag, and that's it. I was just anticipating that we should go here. So I did not go all the way through, but I was checking like, okay, we're at 311 right here, or 310. We should be going at least 20 points higher. And then I measured what's the distance down there. I thought that, okay, worst case scenario, I should be manually exiting at 289 or 88-ish level with a 1-to-1. So how I scalp is basically a little bit discretionary, and that's why I'm not really into scalping that much. The way that I scalp is a little bit of a discretionary trading. I'm checking significant fair value gaps and levels, and I'm just watching the candles, how they are printing on Quant Hour. And if I see they are starting to move, and if I see the range for at least a 1-to-1 range, then I measure the risk, how much I'm willing to lose, and I just, you know, enter with the market order with 1 or 2 micros. Sometimes I add even one more, like 3 micros, depending on the distance, depending on my risk tolerance, or how much I can lose for the day, or, you know, it's pretty much discretionary. You know, discretionary. I can't speak, but you know what I mean. And that's how I do it. That's how I do it. Also, please, a round of applause for yourself, Tom, digging out. Thank you. Well, a round of applause for basically every one of you guys, because... And by the way, this entry is only on paper trading. I deleted my pending order on my account. This is only for paper trading purposes, targeting the 18,464. I don't want to give profits back to the market. I gone to the green for today, and I'm very happy about that. And this is only for playing around with a demo. So this is just the paper trading. But I still think that buy side should be taken at 464. That's why I entered to this trade, actually. So nothing special. I'm just paper. When I do feel the urge for trading more, I just paper trade to see and practice how the entry model is working out. By the way, guys, if you guys are new, check out the giveaway. It's the link is in the pin message. Just watch the video. You can enter the giveaway. It's a 50k starter account. And yeah, make sure you register. Now it seems like it's a good thing that I went on with paper trading. Oh, might be a stop loss here. Yeah. So as I said, it could go down all the way to 320, 15. That would be the equilibrium level of this whole swing. Could happen. Could happen. Easily. Actually, I think it will go down lower now. I see that sell side liquidity is at 350. And it's gone. And it's gone. Very, very, very interesting price action. And that's why I'm happy I'm out. Let's see what can we do here. It might go once more for that buy side. Well, if we have to wait. Doing a market structure shift right now. Are we going to go for the 464? That's the big question. The dog is barking, so that means it should be a long. Neighbor's dog is barking. That must be a long position. Come on. Okay, repriced this gap, so this entry is not valid anymore if we want to go long. If we want to go long. There's going to be a bond auction in about 52 minutes, right? So I think we can still go up there. The 464. What else do I have? Well, nothing extra. Alright guys, I don't think I'm looking this price section much more. Pretty much in the lunch hour. And in premium, I'm not buying there. Yeah, me neither. So guys, P Trading, thank you so much for watching. I'm happy that I'm out of the hole. Ended up slightly in the green. Difficult day for me, especially this London session played some tricks on me. So that is what it is. CPI was able to get me out from the hole. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and push the like. Check out the giveaway, use the codes, you know, that's the drill. And thanks again for being here. Be here in London tomorrow. So see you guys. Have a great evening, everyone. Thanks so much for watching.